Hi, I'm Meena Vijay Pense, and let's see how the third week of December 2020, that is the 15th to the 21st of December 2020, welcomes the sun sign Pisces. For the Pisceans, this week is going to be an extraordinarily slow week. A slow week because you will realize that things will move in at their own sweet space. So the timeline, if you have allotted to things, will actually extend, get longer. Also, a lot of attention is to be paid to the work that you will be doing. Things will require a lot of your time and attention, and hence a work which is anticipated to finish in 2 hours will take 4 hours. 1 week will take 2 weeks, or let's say one day will take another 2-3 days. So in general, the week also is very slow for the Pisceans, and your work pace also will kind of become a little bit slow. Moving on to the workplace. Now, this is a week where you will have to be very cautious about what you do at your workplace. There is going to be some kind of a slip in your work which you will not realize then, but by the midweek it might just come up and flare up and put you in some kind of a confusion and a tizzy. So see to it that you meticulously work on the detailing of your work, whatever that work is, in order to avoid uncomfortable situations by the end of the week. There's a saying, prevention is better than cure. Simply based on that, see to it that you meticulously check the detailing in your work. Moving on to the space of finances, this week will see the Pisceans becoming a little bit emotionally indecisive whether to make the purchase, not to make the purchase. So if you find yourself particularly being indecisive about an regarding a financial purchase, see to it that you leave it for later. You never know, at the end of the week you might actually realize it wasn't really that necessary, or you didn't really lose anything if you did not make that purchase. Some purchases, all the purchases don't have to be good or bad. Some purchases could just be inconsequential, they could be just unnecessary. So this is the kind of a week where if you're feeling indecisive about a purchase, stop it, don't make that purchase. When you really feel like it, then go ahead and do it. Moving on to the space of relationships, it's a very good week for relationships. So if you feel that you're stuck up in something and you're not able to move ahead, do not hesitate in communicating with your loved ones. There are chances you will receive excellent suggestions and advice from your own people, and you will be able to sort out the matters very quickly. For singles, there are chances that you might meet someone very interesting, someone with whom you are able to really open up to and talk about your real emotions. So if in case that you meet someone like that, yes, it is going to be a very good start to a new relationship. Moving on to the space of health. Somehow, this week for the Pisceans, when it comes to health, is going to be absolutely haywire. You will find everything happening regularly, not on time. So it's going to be a struggle to do things on time, sleep on time, wake up on time, eat on time. See to it that you introduce regularity into your routine, especially for the third week of December 2020. Else, there are chances that your health might go for a toss because of your irregular eating and sleeping patterns. Your reactions and your comments about how you felt, your experience about the third week of December 2020 is absolutely welcome. Please feel free to drop in your suggestions and your experience in the comment box, or do DM me personally, and I will be very happy to read and hear your experiences. Here's wishing you a very beautiful and a happy week ahead. Thank you.